Hey everyone, welcome to my website. My website is called The Great American Pastime. This is my home page. Here you'll just learn a little bit about the class and what we'll talk about, ranging from the roots of baseball all the way until now, how technology has changed the game of baseball with infield switches, batting approaches, the way the coaches set lineups based on who's pitching. So let's dive in. This is my All About Me page. It's a really interesting page, not really, about me. And my name is Blake Fertitta. I'm a senior at LSU, majoring in sports administration. I'm planning on graduating in the springtime. I played baseball all my life up until college. Played in high school, played all through Little League, made it to the 13-year-old Little League World Series. Awesome experience. And I'm also just a huge sport enthusiast. I mean, anything from curling to horse racing to just football, basketball, and baseball, I'll watch it all. And you can guarantee me I'll talk about it too. This is my personal choice page. These are just some resources that I found interesting and cool to look at and helpful. It goes from stuff that people might not like talking about the Houston Astros comeback in the World Series, to history of baseball, who invented it, and then the science of hitting a Major League Baseball. This is a really cool video, so it really gives perspective of how difficult it is to be in MLB. Here's my resources page. These are all resources directly correlated to what I will be talking about, like technologies that have revolutionized the game and how technology has increased the length of baseball games, which is the last thing we need because people already get bored by it. And then just like simple math problems that are incorporated into the world of baseball. All right, this is my technology projects page. Here is just a little slideshow of MLB ballparks through the years. I mean, ranging from the oldest ones to the newest ones, and ones that kind of change the face of ballparks with updating and modernizing. Next is my digital story. This is a video I really suggest watching. It's probably someone not many of y'all know about. His name was Jim Abbott. He is a fascinating story that is pretty unbelievable and is a good lesson on perseverance. Jim was born without one of his hands, and he went on to play in the Major League actually for many years and had a pretty successful career, and even threw a no-hitter. So I definitely suggest looking into that. This is my PLN page. This basically dives into all about what a PLN is. And it's a pretty fascinating subject to learn about and see what makes up your PLE and PLN. It's different for everyone. Being in college, many college people have similar ones with similar mobile apps and blogs and different things we use, but it's very fascinating learning about this stuff. Down here is where I talk a little bit about blogs, and then I go into the definitions, and then these are some examples of different types of blogs, and you'll find a reflection on each of these categories. Next is curation tools. Curation tools can be really helpful. Diigo was one that we learned about, and I was really fascinated with because of how helpful it can be to put all of your links and sources into one place, and the way it can format them for you. Definitely very suggest looking at Diigo. And then these are microblogs as well with another reflection. This is my website evaluation. I did musictheory.net. Here I just went through and what I thought about the website, if any information they were missing, a little in and out about it, things I'd suggest. Was the ease of use good? And yeah, that is that. And then this is my mobile app page. This was an app that I went through and learned about, and then this is one that I truly was really fascinated with how useful it can be for a teacher. It's called Nearpod. Nearpod really can give you one dashboard where you can have all of your resources in it, and just from what you can have YouTube videos, assessments, PowerPoints, and it's very, very interactive, and there's a lot of ways to interact with the students with this app and get live feedback and give live assessments, as well as do at-home work that students can do through Nearpod just by sharing a code. So Nearpod is something that I was very fascinated by, and it's compatible with basically everything, and it has so many different uses. And then lastly, this is the screencast. Screencast is where this video that you're watching right now will go. So yeah, I hope that you all were very interested in my website. I hope you spend some time going through it and watching some of the videos. I think you'll find it very, very fascinating, as I did. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you.